Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make an oatmeal omelette. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of rolled oats, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt for flavor. Have your favorite fillings ready, along with a good non-stick pan and a spatula. Now let's prepare our unique oatmeal batter. In a small bowl, combine the rolled oats, milk, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir everything together thoroughly. It's crucial to let this mixture rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the oats to soften, ensuring a smooth texture. While that rests, whisk your 2 eggs in a separate bowl until they are light and frothy. It's time to cook. Heat 1 teaspoon of oil or butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the whisked eggs, tilting the pan to spread them evenly. As the eggs begin to set, spoon the softened oatmeal mixture over 1/2 of the cooking egg. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the edges are firm. Carefully fold the other half over and slide it onto a plate. Your delicious oatmeal omelette is now ready to enjoy. For a savory touch, garnish it with fresh herbs like chives or a sprinkle of your favorite cheese. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding cooked vegetables or lean protein like diced chicken for a more substantial meal. You can even explore sweet variations by incorporating sliced fruit and a drizzle of honey. Enjoy your unique and nutritious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.